The system includes two views, a navigation view and an investigation view. In the navigation view, users can scout new players based on a certain player in the squad and compare them on multiple metrics. In the investigation view, users can investigate simulated actions of new players and the different onboard tactics to explain the player's performance in detail. The navigation view contains a squad board to navigate players to be replaced by a new player, and a player ranking list to compare new players on their personal information and performance. Users can click players in the squad board to identify a player who will be replaced by new players as a reference for player scouting. Then the system would recommend a series of players according to the specified scouting matrix. The recommended players will be shown in the player ranking list. In the player ranking list, users can sort and filter the players by their personal information, historical performance, and expected performance. Users can click the checkbox to select the players of interest to the investigation view for further comparison and investigation. The investigation view includes an onboard tactic list for important onboard tactics of the team, a player record list to compare the simulated actions among the selected players, and the simulated action map to illustrate the simulated actions in detail. In the onboard tactic list, users can filter the onboard tactics by category and frequency, and sort them by success rate. Users can select an onboard tactic of interest by click the item, and the player record list shows the simulated actions and their results compared to the original player. In the player record list, users can sort the players by their personal information, the average distance to the original player's action, and the average action score increment. Users can click to select a player, and the detailed simulated actions of the player will be shown in the simulated action map. The simulated action map shows the spatial distribution of the simulated actions, as well as their score increments and distances to the actions of the original player. Users can drag the slider to filter the actions in the map by distance, to understand the similarity and difference to the original player.